Hello everyone, I'm Zahra. We are in Moodle MOOC 13, week 3. In this week, we have received right to manager practice area, and now we want to see how we can make changes in the course by adding some blocks in this area. Let's turn the editing on. Okay, as you see, there is a block of activities already here, and there is the link to different blocks. There is a blog menu, blog tags, calendar, checklists, clocks, comments, competence grids, completion progress, configurable reports, course contents, course publish, courses, enrollment timer, exhibits e-portfolio, Facebook comments, geolocation, blog, HTML, and latest announcements, badges, learning plans, and a lot more blogs that can help us make the course much more accessible for learners. As you see, there is a live up, mass action, Moodle freak avatar. This might be new, I haven't seen it. Moodle mobile, good. My enrolled courses, notifications, online courses, people, polls, private files, QR codes, random glossary entry, recent blog entries, RSS, search forums, sharing card, stash, and upcoming events. Okay, let's add some of them to the course. For example, let's begin by calendar. I have added this blog. Okay, as you see, the calendar is seen here. You see the calendar, and there are some points, some parts to be clicked here. By clicking on, hovering the cursor on this part, I can move the calendar block. I can move it this part or up to the bottom, left, center, or right. Where is it now? Oh, I've lost it. Oh yeah, the calendar is now here. Let's move it back where it was. Oops, okay. We can also go to setting and go to the configure calendar block, hide the calendar block or delete it. Let's see how we can configure it. I use this part. Well, first of all, where this block appears, original block location where it was first, display on page types, on any page of the main, any page of course, any type of course, any type of course main page, any page, any course page. Okay, let's put it on the default. Course should appear on manager practice area. We have specified it. Default region, right. Now it's on the right, but it's at the bottom, in the footer. Let's bring it to the page type. I moved it to the footer. Default weight. Okay, let's not move it, change it. Yes, I want it to be visible, not footer right. Again, page top. Okay, save changes. Now I want to see if the place has changed. Oops, now it's here. On the header, now it's the place has changed to the header. Okay, we can again go to configure and change the places or to bring it here. Now I dragged it here. Oops. Okay, let's add another block. It can be a clock, it can be latest badges. Maybe participants want to always see the badges they have earned. Okay, latest badges. Let's see if there is anything to be configured. At the moment, there is no badges here to display. In the configuration part, the block settings, the number of the latest badges, yes, we can allow for 10 badges to be displayed here where this block appears. And Moodle Manager practice area, default region right, okay. Save changes. As you see these blocks, there is a place here, hide activities blocks, all of them have these parts, and also this part. We can dock latest badges block. We can dock our badges to this part if we don't want to have a messy page. We can add it here, and then each time can click on it or again undock it, bring it back here. Let's see what other blocks can be used. What about QR code? Let's add a QR code block. Okay, now we've got calendar, latest badges, and yes, the QR code is here. We can scan it with a cell phone, QR reader. We can share it with others. Again, we can deck it there on this place, undeck it, and change the place. We can also simply delete all the blocks if we don't want them here. Okay, when we want to delete it, first of all, it asks for confirmation. Are you sure that you want to delete this block titled QR code? Yes. Very simply, we can delete it. Now it's not here. Well, in a course, maybe I want the participants to keep track of all the events. So I want to add another block called upcoming events. Yes, I like this one. Okay, calendar, latest badges. We have deleted the QR code and now we've got upcoming events. At the moment, there are no upcoming events. Go to calendar. By going to the calendar, we can set for different events. Upcoming events for MPA, for MM13. Yes, for this part. Maybe we want to set some events, upcoming events for WizIQ, for a main course area, or teacher practice area, or any other Moodle for teacher, or any other parts. But at the moment, it's for manager practice area. And also, we've got these links for hide user events, hide group events, hide course events, and category and global events. Okay, we can export the calendar. We should of course set the date and time for any event that we want. If it is, how do I subscribe to this calendar from a calendar application? Okay, events to export. Maybe I want to export events related to the course, okay, or events related to a group. I should click on only that part. At the moment, I'm not gonna change any setting. Just we go through the options. And the time period: this week, next week, this month, next month, and recent and next 60 days, or cost and range. We can change it based on the date. Then we get calendar URL and export it. Well, let's go back, and here we see the months of calendar. Well, okay, let's go back to manager practice area. Here we've got the upcoming events, the calendar, and latest badges. At the moment, we can delete latest badges and add other blocks. Of course, we can add as many blocks as we want here, but the page will be a bit messy, crowded by all the blocks. Let's add a link to exhibit portfolio. We can also add a blog for seeing who are on the course at the moment, the online people. As you see, exhibit portfolio is available here. My CV, my portfolio, artifacts, my views, shared categories, and import or export it. Again, we can deck or undeck it. We can change the place, and we can go to configuration and change something in the setting. And after making different changes, we should save changes and come back to see how it looks like. Okay. I'm sure you can share a lot more of the blogs that are useful for our courses. And thank you so much for your attention to this video tutorial. Have a nice time.